Welcome to the third video in the series, Excel Doesn't Have to Be Hard. Today, I'm handing you 3 tiny tricks that make Excel way less irritating. Now, I know Excel can feel like that high-maintenance friend who always needs something. A little picky, a little judgy, and just when you think everything's perfect, bam, it yells hashtags at you like you broke its heart. Let's fix that. Because when you know a few of Excel's little secrets, it starts acting like you want it to. Let's do this together. Trick number 1, double-click to AutoFit. AutoFit is a formatting feature in Excel that automatically adjusts the width of columns or the height of rows to fit the contents of the cells. Instead of manually resizing each column or row, AutoFit ensures that your data is fully visible without cutting off text or leaving excess space. Here's how it works with text. Hover your mouse between the column letters at the top, like between C and D. Always move to the right of the column you want to change. When you see the double arrow, double-click. Excel will magically resize the column to fit your content perfectly. No dragging, no guessing, no more cutoff chaos. Now, when numbers get squished, Excel gets dramatic. When a cell has a number in it and it's too narrow, what do you see? Just a row of hashtags, like Excel's cussing you out. But it's really just saying, I need more room. Let's auto-fit this. Move between columns A and B, find that double-headed arrow, and double-click. There, all fixed. Trick number 2, wrap text. Ever type a full sentence in Excel and poof, half of it vanishes into the next cell like it's trying to escape? Or worse, you can't see any of it unless you stretch the column to the moon. That's because Excel, by default, keeps all your text on one line, even if that line is way too long for the cell. Let's give your words some breathing room. Here's how to use wrap text. Click the cell or highlight the whole column if you want to wrap multiple cells at once. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click Wrap Text. Instead of running off screen or hiding under the next column, your words stay visible inside the cell. No drama, no mystery, just nice, readable information. Here's a pro tip. Wrap text doesn't change the width of the column. Instead, it increases the height of the row so all your text fits neatly. This is especially useful for headers, notes, or descriptions. Trick number 3. Freeze the top row. Picture this. You're working in a beautifully organized spreadsheet. You've got customer names in column A, order dates in column B, totals in column C, and on it goes. You scroll down to enter more info on row 75 and wait. What was column C again? Sales total? Shipping fee? Favorite pizza topping? Suddenly your header row is gone. You're staring into a sea of numbers with no labels, no context, and no memory of what anything means. Here's how to make them stay put. Open your workbook and click anywhere. You don't need to highlight anything for this part. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click the Freeze Panes drop-down. Choose Freeze Top Row. Done. Now your headers stay visible no matter how far down you scroll. You can freeze columns too. Try Freeze First Column if you're scrolling sideways. It's mini mission time. Try all 3 of these tricks on a practice sheet. Type a long sentence and use wrap text. Enter something big like Mississippi and auto-fit the column. Add some headers and freeze the top row. You'll feel like the spreadsheet is finally playing your game. Those were 3 tiny tricks that take under 10 seconds and make Excel a lot less annoying. And hey, if you're thinking, okay, Excel doesn't totally hate me anymore, then maybe you're ready for more. The full click-by-click Excel course is open anytime you are. Look for the link below. You'll also find the link to the next video. Until then, keep clicking. You've got this.